Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, I will show you step by step how to upload files on Google Drive and how to share them with your contacts. So let's get started right away. Now log into your account on Google, head over to Google Drive and select the file from your library you would like to share with your contacts. Like, for demonstration purposes, I will go with that one here, or alternatively, let me upload a completely new file. So to do that, click on this new icon or button here in the upper left corner and select Upload File from the drop-down menu to upload a file like a document, for example, from your computer. So let me do that really quickly. And once that has been done, select your uploaded file here, right click on it, select share from the drop-down menu and share again. And next simply enter the email address or the name of the user or contact you would like to give access to your selected file. Or alternatively guys, you can click on that button here to copy the link that is leading to your uploaded file and simply share that link with any contact you like to give access to your uploaded file on Google Drive. And that's basically it guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.